where seamless technology meets architectural beauty. This is outdoor living at its finest. Fully adjustable louvers let you control the sun or shade with just the touch of a button. Louvered Liferoom is made from powder coat aluminum that is rust-free, low maintenance, and each system is custom designed to match your space and strength. Design it your way with colors, lightings, fans, features to match your lifestyle. Whether it's dinner under the stars, a morning coffee spot, or your personal spa space, this space is built for you. Turn your backyard into a destination, one that feels like home, but even better.